I cut the pumpkin hole out, which is easy to patch. Drilled a hole with my 5/8 paddle bit. Ran the wire down through there. So I'm installing a smoke detector, and I'm going to install another recessed light. So the recessed light will be in this area, and the smoke detector will be in this area. This is a truss, the bottom quarter of the truss. There were some nail pops, so I removed the nails. I have to do a couple of nail pops there. Then I'll screw them up and patch that later, and I'll paint the ceiling later. So right now what I'm trying to determine is the best distance between these lights and the smoke detector. So I'm going to try to make it even where the smoke detector is installed. So this is for the smoke detector. It's a Nest Smoke Detector I'm installing. So I'm just finding the center point here. I already determined the center. The way I determined the center was I measured across. Measured here, came up with 37 inches. Divide that by 2, that gives you the center. And now I just try to get this eyed up as best as possible. I'm going to trace out. This is an old work box, and what that means is that you can install this for old work, meaning it has tabs that will secure it in place. And I'm just tracing the outline of this, and now I'm going to use my knife to cut the hole out. So we broke through. Alright, so now the next thing I have to do is trace out where the tabs are. Alright, so on this, there are tabs. You see the tabs there? So you need to work these tabs out as I showed in my other video. I have another video where I installed old work electrical box for an outlet. So once you get these started, then it'll fit more easily. Now it's more of a concern in when you're doing this in a wall, but I'm doing this in where the attic, and I can access the attic, so it's, if I lose a tab, I could just go up there and get it. But if it's in a wall, depending upon how high up it is, you may have to either leave it there and grab another tab off another one, or you'll have to cut the wall apart and then grab your tab and alright, so that's going to fit. I don't want to put it up there yet because I really want to do the wiring here first. Now there's wiring I have to send to two places. I need wiring coming here from the source, which is coming from downstairs, from the smoke detector downstairs. Then I have wiring that's going to go to my office and the master bedroom. So I need wiring to go to there and wiring to go to here. I have all three of those points here, and I'll tie them off, and this is what the smoke detector connector will be connected to.
So if you think about that, there's only 29 people.
Watching you, you do it's watching Chimpo. Alright, so there we go, we got the wiring in there. Now I just got to feed everything back through. There we go. So now, almost. There's another winner that's in the channel. So Colin won and he killed one from the other night. So those two guys, I mailed your packages out yesterday at the post office. He isn't gonna take all day, Kylie. Absolutely not. What happened to your ending? Legit fire. This isn't a hype stream. It's a giveaway stream. So this one we're doing winners. We're drawing winners and hanging out. And so to enter in the giveaway, it's if you guys know that to enter in the giveaway, let me just drop the link here. So on this particular smoke detector, the Nest, there's only two wires that I'm hooking up. It's the neutral, which is white, and the hot, which is black. The red wire is not needed, and neither is the ground wire. So I'm going to tie all three ground wires together and put a wire cap on it, a wire nut. So what I've done here is I tied the reds together. It's the proper thing to do instead of just capping them off. Just in case it is switched to a system where the reds are required, that means that every red wire is connected together. So there's no chance of a wire break. It will work properly. Next thing is to tie together the black wires and put a pigtail on it, meaning that there's three wires here. One is the power, two are going to be feeders to other smoke detectors. But then I need to be able to wire the smoke detector, hot wire and neutral wire to these wires. So I'm going to do that using a pigtail. And I just have to find some scrap wire that I can do that with, tie onto this.
And I was like, is he here? And you weren't here, so we had to re-rack, man. And I was just like, that hurt me. You know, I cried a little bit. I was like, man, Carl Brown deserves it. So, but take off my glasses. So that's what I look like. But stayed up till 11:30. Dang! Have to go in a minute, so I won't have a chance to win it.
Alright, so there's our pigtail. We'll use this to connect to the smoke detector. Now I'm working on the other pigtail. So now you twist the wires together to help guarantee good electrical bonding. Alright, so that pigtail is done. So this will be a nice fit there. This will go through the mounting plate. So that's how that works. I think I'll install this later. So I'm going to install this later because I want to get the patching done and sanding. No, actually I want to install it now for safety. So When I go to do the patching, I'll remove it. Okay, installing the Nest Smoke Detector is quite simple. There's no power on this right now. I don't have it connected. It doesn't matter so much because the battery lasts for quite a while. Okay, I already know how to hook it up because I've done it before. So I don't need the instructions. Okay, first thing is the plate. So I need 2 screws installed. Okay, so we'll go to the outside screw holes. You know, last time I did this, it really didn't align well. Alright, so looks like it's gonna work. So we're good. Don't need it to be too tight, just snug. These wiring nuts.
Hi, from Nest. Hola, saludos de Nest.
Okay, we're connected. Now I need to add it to
Press
the
the
app.
button now for English. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9,
Nest.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
Alright, so now we need to add product. And the cool thing about adding this product, you just scan the QR code.
The test is finished. Everything
Okay.
looks good.
Next, we already know all that. This is going to be hallway. Right? Hallway. Where's the tabs at? Right there. Yeah, that was pretty simple. Like the
Connected.
other one. Look at that. Done. So we got 3 things done today. I'm gonna have to clean up the wiring in the attic. Alright, so the power is indicated that it's out here, which, yeah, because I don't have power connected. So we're gonna work on that next. This is how I got the wiring down to the downstairs hallway. I cut a pumpkin hole out. I cut the pumpkin hole out, which is easy to patch. Drill a hole with my 5/8 paddle bit. Ran the wire down through there.
Hi from Nest.
Hola, saludos de Nest.
Press the button now for English. Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide. Ready. Press to test.